I'm delighted to announce that Alliance University and Alliance School of Business, in collaboration with Wipro, one of the most prestigious high-tech companies and largest high-tech companies in India, have collaborated to offer a new, entirely unique and the first such degree program in the country, the MBA degree in Smart Manufacturing and Digital Leadership. Smart Manufacturing is something that is growing. We are the first degree program, and it is totally integrated with Wipro's advice, the curriculum that we have written together, and we will provide faculty mostly from the School of Business here at Alliance University, but also from Wipro Corporation. So this is going to be a very exciting new step. Just to explain quickly what is smart manufacturing from my point of view as a finance guy and an economist, it's an age-old process in actual fact. Additive manufacturing is started by nature. I own a bronze watch, very proudly, and the process of going from a flashy looking gold to what it looks like now is called patination. It's a way of nature growing protective layers of things. Here is a much more up-to-date Vietnamese enamel vase. And again, when they make this beautiful object, they use this process of patination, using countless layers of paint and ink and enamel to make this such a beautiful and hard-wearing object. The curriculum itself has been co-designed with Wipro over the last several months, and we're launching this MBA to start in late September. We're looking for applicants on a highly selective basis throughout the country and abroad to take this program, and we hope that the new parts will be appealing to you, and we're very confident that there will be a great many job opportunities of those who graduate with the MBA in Smart Manufacturing from Alliance University.